In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mail merge in Gmail with Google Sheets. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to send personalized emails to multiple recipients without the monotony of sending them one at a time. It's incredibly useful for those who want to reach out to a larger audience effectively. Now, let's dive right in. First, you want to head over to Google by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look for the option to sign in, which is typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Click it and enter your Google account credentials if you haven't already signed in. This is an essential step because all the Google applications we'll be using are linked to your account. Once you've signed in, click on Gmail, which you can find in the list of Google apps, usually accessible via the apps icon or directly on the home page. This action will take you directly to your Gmail dashboard, which is your main control center for sending and receiving emails. Make sure you're on your primary inbox page. Next, locate the waffle icon, a small grid icon at the top right of the Gmail homepage. Clicking on this will open a menu of Google services. From here, you want to click on the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find extensions and tools that enhance your browser's functionality, particularly those tailored for Gmail. In the Chrome Web Store's search bar, type in Mail Merge and look through the results. We're specifically looking for an extension called Mail Merge for Gmail. Once you find it, click on it to access its page. There you'll see an option to add this extension to your browser. Clicking Add will initiate the process of integrating this tool with your email. Now, with Mail Merge installed, you'll have the ability to compose emails that automatically pull data from a Google Sheet. This means you can include personalized information like first names, last names, or other custom details. Before you proceed, make sure you have a Google Sheet ready with all the details you want to use. Generally, this sheet will include columns such as the recipient's email address, name, and any other personalized content for your emails. Double check to ensure all the data is accurate to avoid any mistakes in the emails you send. And there you have it. Mail Merge in Gmail is now set up and ready to use. Simply open a new email draft and you should see a new Mail Merge option. Use this to link your Google Sheet and start sending personalized emails effortlessly. This tool is a game changer for those looking to communicate effectively with a large group, streamlining the process while keeping that personal touch intact. Happy mailing!